Hi, my name's Curtis. I'm going to be giving you a short tutorial on how to get a Bukkit for Minecraft 1.1 server working correctly in Windows 7. First, you need to go to the website to get it. So open up your web browser and type bukkit.org into your address bar. This is when you need to find the link to download the image for the build, which is usually on the right hand side of the page, around about here, but is currently being replaced due to server problems with this link to an article containing the download link. So we're going to go there. We're going to grab the most recent stable build. In this case it is build 1.1.3. Okay. Seeing as I've already got that, I'll just open that up. So we've got this. This is it here. Okay, we're going to save it into a folder. I've put mine in Bukkit, and I've already got it, so just need to put that there. Now we've got to make the launcher, and as you can see, I've already made that as well. For those that don't already know quite a reasonable amount about batch scripting, you can just copy what I've written here. This is the directory for Java on my computer, which is in the programs files. But so that, as you can see, I'm using the 64-bit version of Java. But if you're using the 32-bit version, you're going to need to add the times 86 for there. Okay, so that there's the address of Java. Here's just a bunch of random Java mumbo jumbo, and this is the file name of the image, of the Craft Bukkit image, which is this one right here. Okay, so we're going to save that, and it's there. It's got to be remember, it's got to be a .bat file. We're going to launch that. See how it's failed to do all those? That's because it couldn't find those files. So what it's gone and done is it's generated them instead. So now we have all these different folders. As you can see, it's building the world. It's building the spawn area, which is in this world here. See, it looks like your regular Minecraft world folder. But then there's all these other ones, world nether, world the end. Well, these two here are the actual nether that the server can be using, and the end. So what you can do is you can place other worlds in there and use those file names and stuff like that, which makes Craft Bukkit multi-world capable. But you can also add other worlds as well, so that you can, with the help of other plugins, which we are going to get to right about now that we've got the server working. So now that you've got your server up and running, we're going to go grab a plugin. Okay, so we're going to start with Essentials, which is this one here. So to get it, we're only really going to get the core ones. So you've got to click on that download, and then you've got to click on that download button there. This is the size of it, yada yada yada, game version, upload it on, yada yada yada, file name, yada yada yada. Anyway, I've already got it. See here? Now, plugins come in the form of .jar files. So, and then, when you've got them, you need to add them to the plugins folder. See, they're in there now. But Craft Bukkit won't realise they're there until you've restarted the server. So we're just going to restart it, yada yada. But because it's not the first load that it's had to do, it's not the first start, it doesn't have to generate all these files again. So it realises they're there. Okay. See, Essentials Chat, Essentials Protect, yada yada yada. It's realised they're there, so it's using them now. Essentials Spawn, and see file not found. And we're going to go back into plugins folder. See? Essentials. It's got all these other files. Those plugins now generated these files in the Essentials folder. So, if you go online, you can search up how to use these various different files using Google and yeah, yada yada yada. Now I've got these files up and running. This is the permissions file, and that'll allow you to do that. This is the average server.properties. We don't really use these anymore because CraftBukkit permissions has become relatively obsolete. You'll have to download that plugin as well, which is elsewhere. We're not going to do that. Anyway, thanks for listening to my video. Hope you liked it. Bye. Oh, and before you go, you need to learn how to stop your server correctly. Don't ever use this, as I did before. Don't ever do that. Just type in stop, like that. That'll stop it properly. See, it stops essentials and yada yada yada, saving chunks, stopping server. But this is mainly what you want, saving chunks, because if you don't do that, it won't save your map, and you'll lose all what you've done in that session. Okay, so I'm going to press continue. Yeah, well, as I said before, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, hope you liked it. Over and out, peace out, live long and prosper, yada yada yada.